half of Gen Z identifies as neurodivergent and disabled. Disabled being apparent and non-apparent, non-apparent including mental health issues such as depression and anxiety.
Pasha, if you're talking about neurodiversity and affirming practices and DEI work, that's critical because you're demonstrating what you want companies to do.
Really, if we just take all the labels away, literally all we're talking about are differences in how we think, how we function, how we move. If you stand strong in your inherent worth, if you stand strong in your truth, connected to your values, connected to your dreams, and you know you're inherently worthy, you can belong anywhere. In the age of AI, which is inherently linear, we need more non-linear, critical thinkers.
Next up to the platform, Pasha Marlowe. Let's go, Pasha!
Pasha Marlowe, who is talking about creating cultures of neuroinclusion.
Please introduce our speaker, Pasha Marlowe.
It disables us because our society does not accommodate for neurodivergent or disabled people well yet. Kind of leader who cares enough for this upcoming generation that needs your support and needs you to believe in them and offer them space for opportunities to thrive.